See, you've been chasing your monsters and they've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers of light to blow out their conscious. If you really wanna juxtapose and take a darker color with the blusher rose, and then you put it in your ink and watch it go, your mind is always open when your eyes are closed, because you're blind to color and you're blind to greed, blind to all the things that you don't need. And you find a mind and then you plant a seed, then you nourish it a little, let it free.
You're building it up and breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. Turning it up and down to the sound. Oh, the sound of change.
I can hear it now, the horns are playing the victory sound. I live in the now, the sky's my home and I live in the clouds. Now or never, bound forever, making a change and making it better. I live for this shit, I love the pain. It's part of the journey, it's part of the game. I've been alone in the dark and the rain. I see the end and I wasn't afraid. I've been in tears and I wasn't ashamed. I hear a sound that I'm hearing is change.
You're building it up and breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. You're turning it up and down to the sound. Oh, the sound of change. You're building it up and breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. You're turning it up and down to the sound. Oh, the sound of change.
Today in America, we have enormous problems. They are solvable problems. I don't want to see people not go to the doctor when they're sick because they can't afford to pay the doctor's fees.
Is going to send a message to the billionaire class. You can't have it all. It is not acceptable to me that we have seen young black men walk down streets in this country, be beaten and be killed unjustly.
That you're entitled to justice and to equal rights, whether you're black, whether you're Hispanic, whether you're gay, whether you're transgender. You are a human being.
As president, I will defend this nation, but I will do it responsibly.
You're building it up.